I have my papers. Let's go. Do you think you're doing face yoga right? You might actually be making your wrinkles worse. Today, we're gonna talk about 5 mistakes that are so common and I see all the time and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Doing face yoga without posture awareness. Your face doesn't work in isolation. Your posture plays a huge role. When you're slouching or holding tension in your shoulders, it can create a strain in your neck and in your jaw. Before you begin any face yoga practice, sit or stand tall. Roll your shoulders back and align your spine. This helps your facial muscles to move freely and more effectively. Mistake 2. Overusing forehead muscles. I used to play with my forehead a lot and it was like I was just talking with my forehead. So many people unknowingly use their forehead a lot. One of them is me, but well, I practice to just, not stop it, but make it less. Control it, make it less. If I do that, so I think you can do it too. But the thing that we are talking today is to lift the brows and eyes and make wrinkles on the forehead while doing the exercises. By placing your fingers on your forehead gently while doing the exercises, you're gonna be more aware and train your eyes and brows to move independently. Mistake 3. Doing it too fast. Mistake number 3 is something that I used to do because personally I like to do everything fast and just complete the tick in front of the stuff on my to-do list. So face yoga is not a race. Going too fast and doing the exercises so fast can actually lead to improper form and cause more tension. Each movement should be slow, controlled, and intentional, just like when you do workout for your body at the gym or everywhere else. Give your muscles time to respond and breathe deeply while doing the exercises. Now let's go to the mistake number 4. Ignoring the neck. Are we okay on this, that our neck is just extension of our face? Yeah? Are we okay with this? Your neck is an extension of your face, and as you know, it's one of the first areas to show aging. Most of the people only focus on their eyes, on their cheeks or jawline, and they just forget their neck. But a saggy, wrinkled neck will obviously reveal your age. Make sure to include neck stretches, lifts, and releases in your routine for a balanced, useful look. And the last mistake of today's video, number 5. Doing face yoga without moisturizing the skin. I think this one is the most important one, and this one makes lots of wrinkles if you don't pay attention to it. Always start with a moisturizer or a facial oil. Also use under eye cream if you're going to do eye exercises. Dry skin can cause pulling and tugging, and as a result, it's gonna cause lots of wrinkles and fine lines. Using a good moisturizer or facial oil will help your fingers, or if you're using any tool like GuaSha, to smoothly glide and slide on your face without making any wrinkles. And also, it's gonna give your skin hydrated, glowing finish after your face yoga session. So this was 5 common mistakes while doing face yoga, and I hope today's video gonna help you to avoid all of these mistakes. Which one surprised you the most, or which one is the one that you're doing most commonly? Tell me in the comments. And if you want my full daily routines, it's linked down below in the description box. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful for you, and don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think might need this, and also subscribe to my channel. See you next one. Bye!